Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you security check of your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. If you would like to perform security check, you just simply have to open your Bitget wallet at very first. And after opening Bitget, you will get to see this 4 circle into the top left corner. Tap into that 4 circle and then you can choose between this many options. Just simply scroll down until you see this option of security and privacy into study section. Tap into security and privacy and then tap to this option of security check. Just simply tap there and it will open this site for you. Just simply wait for a while and then you will get the questions which you will have to select the options in between. First one is, which of the following statement about decentralized wallet is true? Just simply select whichever one do you think is true and it will show you in red if you have selected the wrong option, or if you have selected the right option, it will show it into the green box. Just simply select the right option and tap to next question. And this way you just simply have to complete this security quiz or safety quiz, and then you will know if your account is secured or not. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.